you go, your new alarm clock backpack, specially made for you, to wake you up every few minutes. It even makes a different sound each time. Go on, give it a Smurf. Lazy?
What's going on? Huh? It works!
Well, when has one of my inventions ever not worked?
Thank you, Handy. Today's the first day of the rest of my life. Bye.
We're going for a swim in the river. Want to join us?
Yes, good idea.
Have no fear! Fire brigade, on the way!
There's no fire, it's just my alarm.
Okay, great. But where's the fire?
Hey, Lazy, you decide to Smurf a shower instead?